Have you ever wondered how to make a drawer, a kitchen drawer with a hidden slide? I will show you in this video step by step how to do it. Here you start by forming a box. You screw all together to be strong and steady. You sand off the edge. You measure the back channel and report it on the box. Make a hole. You do the same for the facial as well. And report the two pieces on the front and screw it. When everything is done, you test the first box and it's a success. You fit the other two boxes. After that, you attach the facial. And just like that, you have created a beautiful drawer. Sliding with a hidden mechanism. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the result. Very smooth and clean from the side. No screw visible. Subscribe.